The Saab 92X, a Subaru inside. Yo, what's up car enthusiasts? Today, we're talking about a car that's often overlooked but absolutely deserves your attention. The Saab 92X? Yeah, you heard me right. This isn't your average ride. Now, on the surface, it might look like just another Saab, but let me tell you, this thing is a wolf in sheep's clothing. Underneath that stylish Scandinavian exterior beats the heart of a Subaru Impreza. That's right, folks, you're getting the best of both worlds, Saab's iconic design and Subaru's legendary all-wheel drive and performance. The interior is a mix of Swedish minimalism and practical functionality. It's comfy, it's got that premium feel, and it's got all the features you need. And let's talk about those seats. Oh man, they're like sitting on a cloud. But it's when you hit the road that this car really shines. That turbocharged engine? It's a beast. And with Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive system, you've got grip like a gecko on a glass window. It handles like a dream, it's got power when you need it, and it's just plain fun to drive. Now, I know what you're thinking, but it's rare, and parts might be hard to find. Well, let me tell you, the Saab 92X community is surprisingly strong. There are plenty of resources and aftermarket parts available. And trust me, owning a car this unique is totally worth the extra effort. So, if you're tired of seeing the same old cars on the road, and you want something that stands out from the crowd, check out the Saab 92X. The Saab 92X was produced for a relatively short period, 2004-2006, and came in different trim levels. Engines 2.5 liters H4 SOX 16 valve. This was the base engine, producing around 165 horsepower. 2.0 liters turbocharged H4, found in the Aero trim. This engine offered 230 horsepower. All-wheel drive was standard across all models' transmission options. 5-speed manual, 4-speed automatic, performance 0-60 mph, varied based on engine and transmission, but generally in the mid to low 6-second range for the turbocharged Aero model. Top speed also varied, but typically around 130-140 mph. Other notable features: suspension, independent front and rear suspension brakes, disc brakes, all-around safety. Standard safety features included airbags, anti-lock brakes, ABS, and traction control. The Saab 92X was never officially sold in the UK market. There are a few potential reasons for this: market overlap. The UK already had a strong presence of Subaru Impreza models. Brand identity: Saab had a specific brand image in the UK, focusing on luxury and performance. The 92X, while offering both, might not have aligned perfectly. Economic factors: the decision to not introduce the 92X in the UK could also have been influenced by economic considerations. Core models: Saab might have been concentrating on its core model range. It's important to note that this is speculation, not fact.